Hey, everyone, welcome back to Digital Era. Today, I'm thrilled to show you how to use Chatgpt to get unique design ideas and inspiration for Canva. Whether you're creating social media graphics, posters, or presentations, I'll walk you through each step. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a tutorial.
What is Chatgpt and why use it for Canva designs?
Chatgpt is an AI tool that helps generate ideas, solve problems, and create content in seconds. Today, I'll show you how to use it to brainstorm design concepts, generate catchy text, and even get ideas for color schemes for your Canva projects. First, open Chatgpt and make sure it's updated to the latest version. I'm currently using the free version. After logging in on your phone, tap the two lines in the upper left corner. There, you'll find the Explore GPTs option. Tap on it to browse various choices, and select Canva to start typing a prompt. It's good to know what you want to design. Let's say you're making a social media post about a new coffee product. Type in a prompt in Chatgpt like, create an image of a hot coffee with a mountain view. Typing prompt in Chatgpt will instantly provide a range of ideas, like layouts, colors, and even tips for engaging text. Designing using Chatgpt and Canva combines the power of AI-driven content generation with user-friendly graphic design tools. With Chatgpt, you can brainstorm ideas, generate text content, and create compelling narratives for your design projects. Here's the result of the hot coffee paired with a beautiful view. If you're not satisfied, feel free to make another request and provide more details. Let's take another example. Let's type our request in the message, for instance, an ebook cover about time management mastery. This image was generated by Chatgpt, offering a foundational design that captures the essence of the requested concept. While it may not fully match every specific detail, it serves as an ideal starting point, especially for use in Canva. The design incorporates versatile elements, such as balanced typography, thematic color schemes, and adaptable layouts, which can be effortlessly customized to fit your precise needs. Whether adjusting colors, tweaking font styles, or refining the overall composition, Canva provides a user-friendly platform to personalize this template. This approach empowers you to make the image uniquely yours, turning it into a tailored design that resonates with your brand or project. Now comes the creative part. Use Canva's drag-and-drop interface to customize colors that match your brand, adjust fonts for a professional or playful vibe, add icons, images, or illustrations to visually complement the text. This is where you can experiment, so feel free to explore different styles until you find the look that resonates with your brand. Once everything is in place, review your design and add any final touches, like animations for online content or effects that add depth to your graphics. Double-check that your message and visuals are aligned for clarity and impact. When you're happy with it, download the design from Canva, and it's ready to go. And that's it. Now you know how to use Chatgpt to create standout designs in Canva. It's an incredible tool to speed up your design process and add creativity to your projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.